What's one of the best ways to get a job in cybersecurity? It starts with education and training. Keep watching. Education requirements. Most employers want applicants to have some level of formal education or training. You could qualify for an entry-level position with only a certificate. However, some employers prefer applicants to hold an associate's degree. Advanced positions may require a bachelor's or a master's degree. Common majors and programs for students interested in cybersecurity careers include computer science, information technology, engineering, cybersecurity. The best programs offer a strong foundation in computer systems. They also provide training on networks, security, cryptography, risk management, and cybercrime investigation. Program locations. Before you apply for a certificate or a degree program, it's important to do your due diligence. It's part of finding the right program for you. Look for accredited programs and those that have a good reputation in the cybersecurity field. Several colleges and universities offer cybersecurity programs. Another option is a vocational or trade school like InterCoast colleges. As an accredited college, we offer programs that have a great reputation in the field of cybersecurity. We have cybersecurity certificate and associate degree programs to prepare you for entry-level employment and an exciting career in this growing field. You can complete a cybersecurity program in as little as 40 weeks. Check with an admissions representative who can help you determine a program plan based on your desires, careers, and educational goals. Importance. Outside certifications after training are another stepping stone in the field of cybersecurity. Without certain certifications, it will be difficult to secure a job. Certifications show that you have the skills and knowledge to handle cybersecurity tasks. They also show your commitment to the field, increasing your chances of getting hired. You will need to participate in independent certification training after graduation. The employer will want the certificate from an authorized certification organization to prove you know what you're doing. There are many certifications available in the field of cybersecurity. Your specific needs will depend on your job role and the employer. Entering the field. Formal education helps prepare you for an entry-level job in cybersecurity. However, many employers want more than a piece of paper. Certificates and degree programs help you build a strong foundation in cybersecurity practices. But what do you do when a potential employer wants experience? Many aspiring cybersecurity professionals earn advanced degrees. Others look for cybersecurity internships. Besides the formal training and education, as well as certifications through testing, there are other things you can do to help break into the field. Here are some other action steps to consider taking. Gain fluency in cybersecurity technical language. Take an entry-level technical job or related field. Network with cybersecurity groups. Document your training and skills. Stay current with your knowledge and certifications as applicable. The industry changes frequently, and you want to stay on top of these changes. Work with your career services office at your school to help you locate entry-level job openings that would help you get your foot in the door. Also, stay up to date on the latest cybersecurity trends. These steps can help you stand out when looking for a job in the cybersecurity field. Pursuing a career. If you're interested in pursuing a career in cybersecurity, there are a variety of education and training paths you can take. Formal education can give you a strong foundation in cybersecurity concepts. At InterCoast colleges, we offer a variety of programs that can prepare you for a career in cybersecurity. Our instructors have real-world experience in the field and commitment to helping you succeed. We invite you to contact us for more information or apply to one of our programs.